Hi. So in this recording, I will be talking about how you can merge the dataset. So this is the README file, and here we are given the structure of our data. We have this file HHV1. This is for first visit, and this is for revisit. This is for first visit, and this is for revisit. First of all, we will be merging these two files, household with the household level data. Using 1 is to 1 relation. I'm sure you must have heard about this in relation and function classes if you have opted for mathematics. Even if you don't know, then don't worry, it doesn't matter. Then we will be merging this individual level data with the individual level data using 1 is to 1 relation. Then it might be the possibility that a household, let it put this way. So, household one household will have same religion, same social group, but within the household each member will have different age, different income, right? So one household can have one, two, three members, maybe one, two, three, four members, likewise. So we will be using one is to many relation. So once again, I will be merging these two using 1 is to 1 relation, and then I will be giving them name as household merged file. Then I will be merging these two using 1 is to 1 relation, individual merged file. Then I will be merging household merged file with the individual merged file using 1 is to many relation. One thing to note that in advance, when in the upcoming videos, when we will be seeing the PLFS report, they only use this first visit of household data and personal level data. So you can directly merge household to this individual level data using 1 is to many relation. I am merging all this file so that you can apply this in any data, maybe NSSO data or whatever unit level data you have using the README file. All right, so let's move to the screen. By the way, I will be using Stata for merging and all the calculations. While I was at D school, I had opted for R programming with economics application. That time I worked with the unit level data on R, but I found R to be slow. Whenever I was trying to load the data, many a times R used to crash. Hence, I found Stata to be very, very efficient. But in case you still you can watch this video, then you can simply go to chat gpt and you can give that stata code to the chat gpt or Gemini or black box AI, DeepSeek, anything, and then ask to convert this code to any programming language. Hopefully they will give you the codes. So basically you have to understand the logic, the concept behind it. Doesn't matter which application you are using. So here I am on my Stata. So let me open this. Okay, all right. So first thing first, we have already seen how to download the data. So this is my revisit. This is my first visit, right? If in case if you have forgot, so this HHV1 is my first visit, and then this is revisit. So let me open this readme file. Okay. So where it is here. So first thing first, here common primary key for identification of household wise record. So we have to first create household ID, this. using these many variables. Okay, and for primary key for individual level data, same thing. Up until sample household number, it's same. Additional is person serial number. Okay, now one more thing is here, where it is. Yeah, weight. I have told you many a times that weights are very, very important. So we will be creating weight variable also. So the formula is given: weight is equal to multiplier divided by 100 if NSS is equal to NSC, otherwise this. So multiplier NSC variable is already given in our data. So let's check. Okay, so I have loaded the data. So we have this NSS, NSC, and we have multiplier, and we have to create one variable called weight also. So here, by the way, those who are not familiar with this data, so I mean, this is a good opportunity for you to learn stata also through this video. Okay, so you have seen that I went to file, then I have simply opened it. You can import Excel file also, and then you can do all these things. So I have, by the way, there is also something called do file. So do file is a place where you can keep your codes intact. For example, if I press Control S, then variables will get saved. But let's say if I am computing any table or something, let's forget it. We will see in the coming videos. Then you will realize the importance of do file. For the time being, first of all, let me rename, and I want to rename this NSS, NSC, multiplier. Okay, so this, let me rename it as NSS, NSC, this MULT. Hit enter. So as you can see, the variable names have been changed, renamed rather. Now I want to generate weight. So gen, this weight is equal to, now this variable, this we have seen from our readme file itself, multiplier divided by 100 if NSS. For equal to sign, we press double equal because we are in coding. Okay, hit enter. Okay, so we have created one variable called weight. Now gen weight, no, now I have to replace weight is equal to this. By the way, if I am pressing here, if I take my cursor and I just hit, then the variable will come here. So if I have a very big name of the variable, then I don't need to type it. Many a times it happens that while typing I may make mistakes. So if NSS is not equal, for not equal, this exclamation sign NSC. Okay. Oh, what happened, okay. Yes, so this should have came first. Okay, so our weight have been created. Now last thing is to create one HHID, household key. Okay, so if I come to this, we need quarter, we need visit, we need sector, FSU serial number, Hamlet or sub block number, second stage stratum number, sample household number. So what I can do is, first let me rename. So it was, first I had quarter, then it was visit, and it was sector, then it was FSU. Where is FSU? Yes, here it is, FSU. And then we had Hamlet or sample then we have second stage stratum number, then sample household number. Now see how conveniently I have just tapped on it and all the variable name were coming automatically. So this was what? This was quarter, visit, this was sector, this was FSU, this is Hamlet, Hamlet. This is second stage stratum, this is sample household number. Hit enter. So the variables have been renamed. So I'm creating one more variable called HHID, okay, is equal to what I want, this quarter plus this visit plus sector plus this FSU plus Hamlet plus triple S plus SHN. Okay. Now, as you can see, there is two more variables which have been created. One is weight and one is HHID. I have renamed few of the variables, and if I do save, comma replace, so now it has been saved and replaced on my desktop. I mean, at my working directory. So I am doing clear. So now all the variables have been truncated. Now let me import this revisit. So this is what, I guess, no, this was the revisit. Now same process I will be doing. So first process was rename. So instead of this, what I can do is, now things are very easy. So I will go here. Just I have to be careful the order. NSS, then we had NSC, then we had multiplier. Okay, now this have been renamed. Then this was, now because I have renamed with the same, I mean, stata is also case sensitive, so doesn't matter. Now what I can do is, again I have to rename, because again I have to create one household ID. I mean, when we are merging something, we need a common key. So it was first quarter, then visit, then sector, then it was FSU. Where is it? FSU, this Hamlet, then triple S, and this SHN. Okay, so they have been renamed. Now I have generated one HHID. Now before I replace, save and replace, what I can do is, mm, let's let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. Now what I can do is, okay, all right. So what I will be doing is clear all again. Now up until now, what I have done is, within both the household level data, I have created HHID, I have created weight variables. That's all. Now it's time to do the merging of both the household level data. So what I can do is, I can simply open maybe first visit itself. Okay. Now what I can do is, mm, there will be a problem because, okay, mm, will there be a problem? No, right now there won't be any problem. So because I have done once, so I know what problem will occur. So I want to merge both the household level data. So merge HHID using. So what I will do is, I will go to my desktop, okay, where my file, this file have been saved. So this was my first visit. This is my revisit. I will go right click, control as path. Okay. Now I have came here using this. Now hit enter. Now you can see there are total this. Now you can cross check. So if you add them, this is 4, 6, 8. So this will come 2,34,764 only. So it's always a good idea when you are merging, the sum should be equal. Let's check it. Calculator. It's always a good idea to check. Okay. So it's 101920 plus 132844. Enter. So it's, let's check. See, 2,34,764. So we have correctly merged household level data. Now there have been a new variable merge which has been created. So what I will do, I will drop it. Drop merge. Okay. Now I will go to file, save as, and this is merged household data. Okay. All right. Now I will do clear. Now same thing I will be doing for individual level data. Again, one is to one merging will happen. So first of all, I will be opening it. So this is my visit one. Okay. Now again, what I will be doing is, first of all, I will rename this because I have to create multiplier variable, sorry, weight variable. So this is NSS, NSC, and this is multiplier. Done. Now I will create weight, then replace weight, then I have to rename. Now why I was renaming this many variables, because I had to create household level data. Now this time I have to create personal level data. I mean, I have to create individual key, and this time we will be using one more variable called person serial number. All right. So here we go. So first of all, we will be going here quarter, then we have visit, then we have sector, this is FSU, the- then this is uh, triple S, and this is, no, this was Hamlet, this is triple S, this is sample household number, and then person serial number, because I have created one more variable. So here I can write PSN, person serial number. Okay. So now it has been renamed. Now here I will do, firstly I will be generating one HHID also. Okay. And then I will be generating one person individual key, maybe PID. Let's say this plus PSN. Okay. So now two more variables have been created here. Now what I can do is simple save, comma, replace. All right. So clear all. Now again I will be opening the data, the last file which is this revisit of individual level data. So where I was, this, NSS, NSC, then we have multiplier. Okay. All right. Now what I can do is, then we have to generate multiplier, sorry, weight, and then we have to again rename this many variables. First one was quarter, visit, Then we have sector. Where is FSU? FSU, Hamlet, triple S, sample household number, person, serial number. All right. So now again generate HHID, generate PID, and now it has been replaced. Now clear. All right. Now I will be merging both individual level data. So how to do? Same. Just like we have done for this household level data. So merge 1 is to 1, 1 is to 1 using person individual key, personal key. And then I will be going here. So we have opened first visit. Now we want to merge it through revisit. So what I will do is control S path. Wait. Before I do this, control A, control X. Why I have done this? Because I have not opened my first visit. First of all, I have to open this. Okay. As you can see, these all variable which we have created just few minutes ago is here. Now what I will do this, then it must be here, this. So this is my file path. Okay. So now let's again check it. So we have this, you can calculate it, it will come same. This 9,22,599 only. Now drop this merge variable. Okay. Now what I can do is control shift S, means this I'm saving as new file, merged individual data. Okay. Now it has been saved. Now the main agenda is to merge household level data and individual level data. So I will press clear. So what I can do is, see, as I told you that uh, let me take my pen. Where is my pen? Yeah. So let me give you an idea. So if there are one household, can be one household number two, household number three. These are household. Then we have individual. Then within this household one, there can be A, B, C. Then here can be E, F. Here can be G, H, I, J. I mean, there can be three people, there can be two people, there can be four people. But they all will have same social group, same religion, but they will have unique age group, unique gender, unique wage. So if you observe carefully, this is one. Okay, for A also, for B also, for C. So one is to many relation will work here while merging. Okay, okay. So what I can do is I can open my this household level data, the one which we have merged. Okay. Now what I will do is I will type merge 1 is to M and using HHID, and then I have to copy the path. So where is my individual level data? Here it is. Control S path. So it would have been possible that if I would have opened individual level data first, for example here, then I should have written M is to 1, many is to 1 relation. Okay, hit enter. So it will take some time. It is merging. So we have merged successfully. Okay. Now what I can do is Control Shift S, and I'm renaming it as master dataset. So that's all for this video. In the meantime, you should must watch part 1, part 2 and part 3 to get the theoretical knowledge what all these variables mean. Thank you so much.
If you learned something valuable from this video, please press the like button to make YouTube happy. If you'd like to support my work and help me keep creating more content, you can scan the QR code on the screen. A lot of time and effort goes into recording and editing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.